That's 1-to-1, ain't it?
Can we just practice real quick?
Yeah.
Say on down.
Yeah.
I'm gonna throw it up.
Yeah.
So look,
Just make sure
it's coming straight over the runway almost.
Yeah, I think maybe aim toward that white fence way over there. Let me check this shit again.
I'm not gonna release it till I hear it go.
Okay. Just make sure you don't hit the elevator servos and shit. Alright, go!
Flies good.
Turn around, baby. Turn around.
What do you need? Any trail?
What does it need? Oh, it needs some.
Come back towards the wind, though.
Needs some right. Let's see. Yeah, give me some right. Come back around. Whoa! Come back up.
Up.
Just keep turning.
Good job.
And some up. Move out. Probably a little more right.
Oh, I went down.
Oh.
No, wait, hold on.
Turn around.
Keep it up. High, yeah.
Okay, let's see.
That thing's fast.
That's half throttle, dude.
Go full throttle.
Let me get straightened out.
Nice. It's just one of them finicky looking. It's starting to shake. Watch those down ones, okay? Because that's not good on that plane.
Yeah.
I want to go around and circle down. You don't want to cover up, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Well, it leans over, and you lose your lift in the front.
Is that what it's doing? Okay.
I need a couple more clicks of right. Oh shit, where are you?
No, I lost orientation.
Okay, coming to me.
Will you invert it? No.
Hands off. Huh? Yeah, I lost it.
How many minutes you have? Do you have your timer on this?
I think I put a 5.
Okay.
Oh, it's hard to see. Oh, that was inverted.
Keep that nose up. There you go.
Come on around, baby. Come on around.
What's the rock on you, though? That's kicking in now, bud. It's that wind, dude. It's blowing a lot more than we used to. I don't have a gyro on it.
No.
Will it come in?
Yeah. Turn around, baby.
See right there, I lost orientation. There you go.
Okay, come in.
Nice. Whoa.
Oh.
Nice. Okay.
Stop it. Load is off.
So you had to put a little nip on that front end. You see? Is that what you had to do?
No, that's because where it crashed.
Oh, okay.
Did it break?
No. You're good, dude.
Propeller's still on there. Let's crank it. Bitch has got some go. So that was running.
That's pretty good for a little homemade project right here.
Yeah, there were some plans, but they were nothing like, they were like a profile. And,
Yeah, you told me this a long time.
yeah, I learned how to